at samantala, Secretary, dahil dyan naman sa Senado at nag-privilege speech pa no, si Senator Jingo Estrada at mukhang abalang-abala kayo sa mga pagsagot po rito at maging imbestigan din po ito ng DPWH, ng Blue Ribbon Committee, yung sa pagbagsak po ng Camagan Santa Maria Bridge sa Isabela. Ang binabagit po, dyan po sa Senado, hindi lang dapat daw po na yung truck driver, contractor, yung nag-design po ng tulay ang managot, kundi yung mga DPWH officials na meron pong partisipasyon sa proyekto. So, kumusta na po yun? At kasi yung pong hinahanap, ang sinasabi, na-promote para ho. Di umano, sabi po ni Senator Jinggoy.
Opo. I think ang kanpo niya, nabalitan nga namin, he made mention of several officials.
Opo.
Actually, ano ho ba to what extent ang natin dito? Because these were undertaken in previous administrations po to, no?
Opo.
Siyempre, panahon ni, nagsimula ito, panahon ni Secretary Singson.
Singson.
Tsaka yung implementation po nito is actually si Secretary Villar, Secretary Mercado, and things like this. Pero nabanggit lang po niya yung mga officials na specific officials. So, I think nagkaroon na naman kami ng hearing sa Blue Ribbon Committee regarding this. The Kabagan. And tinignan naman po namin lahat yung mga documents and the participation of all na sinasabi natin dito. And I think have recorded all those that have directly involved in the implementation of these projects, kasi ang nag-implement po nito is yung Region 2, hindi naman ho yung Central Office, no? Region 2 of the DPWH. So although some of them at that one point in time they were assigned po doon sa Region 2 at of their participation, tinitingnan po namin if it is very material to the completion of the project. Yung mga ganun po. And humingi po kami sa lahat sa kanila na explanation and affidavit of all the people that we think who have directly made direct involvement nila sa implementation of the bridge po. By the way, let me point out again, no? And again, that bridge has not been transferred to the DPWH. It has not yet been accepted by the DPWH at this point in time.